Hi, hello, and welcome to this video. And you might be wondering, why are you removing the tank grips of your bike, Drakenhoff? Well, so the first one right here it looks nice. It works nice, very nice. But the other side is a complete nightmare. Look at that. That is the glue from the actual pad, which this pad is supposed to be over that glue. So I don't think I will be buying those tank pads again. But you can see this one as well actually has a little bit. I just now saw that it has a little bit of the same glue popping out. It's been really hot in Norway this summer, well, some days, and I think I left the bike out in the open for the sun to just bake. So today we're gonna remove them, see how they are, and see if there's any residue that I have to clean off with some nasty stuff that I have to clean off. I thought I would use this, a hair dryer. Now, for those of you that are kind of observant from my previous videos, you know that I do have a proper, like, actual heat gun as well. It's not proper, it's very cheap. I don't want to destroy the paint on the bike, so that is the reason why we are not going to be using this, because this gets very hot. And this one is just fine, I reckon. Let's try to remove the pads by starting on the left side. So what I think I'm gonna do is not start at the top, but start at the bottom right here, where I do believe the glue, it's there. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I've never done this before. Looks like it actually. It's going pretty easy. Ah, yes. Oh wow, that is shocker. It is super sticky. And it's off. Yeah, you can see, you can't really see it, can you? You can kind of see that the entire glue pot has just been skewed in the wrong direction. Oh my lord. Just look at that nasty stuff. Ugh. Oh god, that is super sticky. Look at that. Ugh. Right, as you might be able to see, there are lines where the tank pad were, but on this one there are like small dots of the glue left on this side. On the other side, right here, there is not that much in the middle, but there is a lot on the side. Alright, I'll be honest, I didn't think this through, so in order to get off the glue, I have to go and buy some label off from Biltema. Just picked up this label off, and let's see how well it works. Now, while this works, it's supposed to be on there for a few minutes. Let's talk about if I would recommend these tank pads. I've had a bad experience with one of the pads, one of the tank pads. So I wouldn't personally recommend it, but I have spoken to, again, Joey rides. He's a fellow MT09 SP owner. He's had his in like high temperature situation as well, and he says they're fine. So I guess when you buy cheap stuff, the quality varies a lot, but it's as expected. So I guess I'll end up ordering some tech spec tank grips for the MT09 instead. So would I recommend these? Not really. But if you don't want to spend a lot of money, They're a great value, but you might have to change them out like I do. Okay, so I only spray the top part right here. Let's see. Huh. It actually works pretty well, I must say. Put a few rounds with this and we should be good. I'm actually quite happy with that. Looks like there was nothing there at all, or never has been. It was a lot easier just to spray this stuff onto the cloth that I had and then wipe it off. Yeah, looks like this stuff is actually working. All right, there we go. Looks pretty sweet to me, actually. That stuff really works, man. Really does. Alright, I guess that concludes this video. I'll probably end up buying the tech spec tank grips. Do I recommend these tank grips? No, but they're cheap, so I can't really argue with that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah!